Wow, it is very windy outside. It's about 22 miles an hour. I woke up to wind. A lot of damage. Most damage is the second tree that fell. And I was told that it only broke like the second window for, first window for. So, right there, either first or second. But man, all the people on the first floor and second got lucky. Branches spewed everywhere. Interesting. Interesting. Whew. This is the second time this fucking happened. It's crazy. Just spewed everywhere. Crazy. Thank God no other trees fell. Well, except this one. Yep. That was a tree. At one point, it was a tree. Now it's all bent up. That's gotta be pretty strong winds for a tree to topple. Right next to the construction zone. Let's go for the main event, huh? Ooh. Yep, and there we go. Thank God those rails were there. Otherwise it would have broken the whole fucking fence. I think some fell over there too. Or maybe not. Look at that. Bent steel. It takes a lot to bend steel. Even when it's hot. At a couple of 1,000 degrees. And that's a tree. That is crazy. Yesterday I was walking by here. Last night about 4 or 5 in the morning. This was, yikes. That is some hell of a storm. No rain, just wind. Look at the, look, woo! I think there's gonna be a hurricane or something. Look how the tree's swinging. Now this tree's gonna break. Whoever's right there is not gonna be very happy. So yeah, I think there's a I don't know, but hurricane coming. Or it looks like it. So let me just show you one of the steel beams. See how thick it is. See how thick it is? And a tree broke it. That is crazy. Whoa. I just scared a little bit. Let's go check up on my car. My car is right parked not too far from here. Look at this. Branches spewed everywhere. Oh, this taxi driver is not having a good day. Look at that. Oh, my car is like right around here. Oh my God, poor guy. Poor guy. Look at that. The only thing that survived is a sticker. Wow. Yikes. Unlucky. Unlucky. Look at that. And that fell from there, I think. Somewhere from there, I think. Unless it flew from somewhere else, but I doubt it. That looks too heavy. Wow. Look how the trees are moving. Just debris everywhere. Sticks. Whoa, this guy's lucky. He's parked right under a tree. Oh, look, there's a cat by my car. Oh, isn't he the cutest little kitty ever? It's going underneath my car. The hell? You don't pay rent underneath there. Ah, boy. This is the only thing that landed on my car, thank God. That is strong wind. See, everything's alright with my car, thank God. Whew. Well, thank God, because some people didn't get so lucky. I guess I parked. I usually park where that taxi is. So that just tells you how lucky I got. I usually park where the taxi is. Or over there. Or over here even. So that taxi driver is not gonna have a good day when he sees that his car got broken. And it looks like the car got broken in, but it hasn't. It was just this pile of wood. Well, I'm gonna try to move this. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Just so it doesn't get in the way of anyone. Very nice. This tree's gonna fall on top of me.